You are going to be removing the steering wheel airbag to access the steering sensor or clock spring. Before you begin, disconnect the negative terminal, red arrow, and then the positive cable, blue arrow, from the battery with a 10mm socket. And then wait at least 20 minutes for the residual energy in the system to dissipate. If you have an electronic adjuster for your steering column, make sure to lower it as far as it will go before disconnecting the battery. With the battery disconnected and having waited 20 minutes, remove the steering wheel and the airbag. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance if needed. Use a small flathead screwdriver and push in and release the clips on the upper and lower trim pieces indicated by the red arrows. Disconnect the two electrical connections under the cover for the microphones, red arrow. The connections will come out from the cover to help with separation. Unclip the leather trim piece from the plastic piece, red arrow. Use a T20 torque and remove the two screws on the front of the lower trim piece, red arrows. If you have a manual adjust on the column, remove the three T20 torque screws holding the handle and the trim piece in place and indicated by the red arrows. If you have an electronic adjustment, you will need to use a trim removal tool and pry out the assembly and separate the wiring connection. You can now lower and remove the piece. We are going to remove the signal stalks with the clock spring steering sensor. There are two connections on the clock spring and the stalks indicated by red arrows. Squeeze in on the small tab on the clock spring connection, red arrow, and separate it from the clock spring. Working underneath, press in on the tab, red arrow, and pull the connection back and out from the stock assembly. There are two stays holding the wiring to the back of the assembly. One a plastic grommet, red arrow, and one a friction clip, blue arrow. Remove these. Use a 5mm Allen and remove the single screw holding the assembly to the column, red arrow. Slide the assembly off the column, making sure you have everything disconnected. There is a very small S2 T8H screw that assists in holding the clock spring to the stock switches, red arrow. Before you remove the spring, make sure to mark its position, especially if you are reinstalling it, red arrow. If you are installing a new spring sensor, you will need to recalibrate it. Remove the small screw. There are 4 clips, red arrows, 2 shown, that hold the sensor to the stock switches. Carefully release these with a trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver and separate the switches. Disconnect the 2 electrical connections from the spring, blue arrow, that are connected to the steering column switches. You can replace the clock spring or column switches now. Installation is the reverse of removal. You will need to reprogram the clock spring if a new one is installed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.